to a fun little video of decorating this pencil box that I got from Michael's. This was 99 cents at Michael's. Just a basic little pencil box. I use these to store pretty much everything. I've got 2 of them already, and they store a lot of cute smaller age aggression stuff, as well as just things like pencils or hair clips, just really cute stuff. So I'm just gonna just briefly talk about what I've done so far. So I'm just putting on some stickers of fandoms that I like. So I love dinosaurs and Jurassic World and Jurassic Park, so I put Blue. I like Sanrio, so I put my Melody on there. I love Vocaloids, I put Luca and Kaito and Miku. I put Umaru, of course, because I'm basically Umaru. And I put Gresco on there. So I kind of started with fandoms, the stuff that I like, because I think I'm going to use this as a miniature toy box for small toys. So I think that's what I'm going to use this for. So now I'm going to just cover the whole surface in stickers, and then we'll see what comes of that. So now I've decorated most of the space on the front with my fandom stickers. I've got Umaru, got Jurassic World, I've got Gresco, got Sanrio, got Banania, got Vocaloid. So now what I'm going to do is go in and fill in the gaps with rhinestones. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do rhinestones. Because you can see there's like a gap here, a slight gap there, slight gap there, slight gap there, and it's like a gap there. So I'm going to see if I can fit some rhinestones in there. Look, I've got some rhinestones on here. I've got like these 2 iridescent ones, I've got some pink ones, I've got some green, purple, blue, plain ones, orange, and more pink over here. So there's some rhinestones all over it and the little gaps, and then there's all my fandoms on there. So this is just kind of how I decorate some of these pencil boxes. I also sometimes will use like lace. I'll draw on it with Sharpies. Other types of decorations for boxes like these. But these are really good boxes because they're plastic, they open up for the clasp, so you can store pretty much anything you want in there. I store art supplies, hair clips, small toys, and this one's going to be a miniature toy box, which I will show you in just a second. So here's the finished box once again, all the rhinestones and stickers on it, and here's what I'm currently using it for. So here's where I'm storing a bunch of small toys that come from like blind bags, like this is from like a dollar store blind bag, and then this is from like a Frozen 2 blind bag, and here's one from a Ruby blind bag. So this is a good way to store your blind box toys in a little pencil case. Good for storage, and you can stack them together. So please like and subscribe if you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below. If the comments are still active on this video, stay awesome, remember to love yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies!